This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Fonseca. Welcome to Valencia Harbor, a premier 55-plus community with no CDD where luxury meets lifestyle in a setting designed for vibrant living. This Antigua floor plan is a truly unique home. Completion date is March/April 2026. This exceptional 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with den and great room offers 2,342 square feet under air, a 2-car extended garage, lake view, future summer kitchen stub out with patio knee wall and 10 paver patio extension, crafted with comfort and style in mind. From the moment you enter through the door into a spacious foyer, you'll appreciate the open concept floor plan, impact windows and doors, and upgraded paint throughout. The chef-inspired kitchen and baths feature elegant quartz countertops. The primary suite is a true retreat with 2 large walk-in closets and dual vanities. With tons of high-end upgrades already planned, this home is ready for a smooth and effortless transition. Nestled in a resort-style community with sparkling pools, a gourmet restaurant, racquet club with pro shop, and a full-time lifestyle director coordinating fitness classes, social events, and more, Valencia Harbor is not just a place to live, it's where the good life truly begins. Photos are of the model and for reference only. For more information, review the details below.